Imagine, if you will, a young man named Walt Disney. This isn't just any ordinary man, but a man whose name has become synonymous with creativity, imagination, and success. But his journey to iconic status was anything but easy. In the early 1920s, a young Disney faced what some might consider the ultimate failure. He was fired from a newspaper job because, according to his employer, he lacked creativity. Imagine that. The man who would go on to create the happiest place on earth, dismissed for not being creative enough. Then, as if to add insult to injury, his first animation company, Laugh-O-Gram Studio, went under. Bankrupt, out of money, dreams shattered. It seemed like the universe was trying to tell him something. But here's the intriguing part. Disney didn't see these setbacks as failures. He saw them as opportunities. He didn't hang his head in defeat. He held it high, his eyes fixed on the horizon of his dreams. He was, in a sense, fueled by his failures. Instead of accepting defeat, Disney used it as a springboard. He took the lessons learned from his early setbacks and used them to build a foundation for his future success. He believed in his dreams, and he was determined to make them a reality, no matter what obstacles stood in his way, and he did. Walt Disney went on to create a global empire that has brought joy and inspiration to millions of people around the world. His story is a testament to the power of perseverance, the strength of vision, and the transformative potential of failure. So the next time you face a setback, remember Walt Disney. Remember his early failures, his determination, and his unwavering belief in his dreams. Remember that failure isn't the end, it's just a stepping stone on the path to success. Disney's story serves as a powerful reminder that defeat can be a stepping stone to success. So, let's not shy away from defeat, but embrace it, learn from it, and use it to fuel our journey to success. So, what do the experts have to say about defeat? Well, let's begin with the psychologists. They suggest that defeat, though painful, is a necessary part of our personal and professional journey. They view it as a catalyst for personal growth. Yes, it's a bitter pill to swallow, but defeat provides a unique opportunity for introspection and self-improvement. One such psychologist, Carol Dweck, has even gone so far as to coin the term growth mindset. A growth mindset encourages us to view challenges and setbacks not as insurmountable obstacles but as opportunities to improve. It's a mindset that says, I may have been knocked down, but I'm not out. I can learn from this. I can grow from this. Now, let's shift our focus to successful entrepreneurs. It's no secret that the path to success is littered with failures. Many of the most successful entrepreneurs have faced defeat multiple times before they finally hit their stride. They see defeat not as the end, but as a stepping stone on the path to success. Take, for instance, the founder of a globally recognized multi-billion-dollar company who was once fired from the very company he started. Sounds like a crushing defeat, doesn't it? But he didn't let that stop him. He viewed it as an opportunity to begin again, more intelligently, to borrow a phrase from Henry Ford. He used that defeat as fuel to propel him towards greater success. So, what's the common thread here? Both psychologists and successful entrepreneurs view defeat as a learning experience, an opportunity to grow. It's not defeat that defines us, but how we respond to it. It's about picking ourselves up, dusting ourselves off, and using what we've learned to forge a new path forward. It's not easy, of course. Accepting defeat requires courage, resilience, and a willingness to admit that we don't have all the answers. But if we can do that, if we can embrace defeat, then we can turn our failures into stepping stones on the path to success. As the saying goes, we learn more from our failures than from our successes. Now, how can we transform our perspective on defeat? This is a question that resonates deeply within all of us. We all face defeat in different forms, but the most important aspect is how we react to it. Let's start by reframing the situation. Instead of viewing defeat as a setback or failure, consider it as a stepping stone towards your ultimate success. Each defeat is a lesson, a chance to learn and grow, to better understand what works and what doesn't. It's a chance to gain wisdom from the experience and apply it in your future endeavors. Next, seek feedback. This might be hard to swallow, especially when we're feeling down, but it's crucial to our growth. Feedback provides a fresh perspective, a new angle to view the situation. It helps us identify our blind spots, areas where we might be lacking. Remember, feedback isn't personal, it's about the action, not the person. So accept it with grace and gratitude. Now, armed with these lessons and feedback, it's time to create a plan for moving forward. This plan should reflect the insights you've gained from your defeat. It should be a roadmap to your success, a guide that will help you navigate through the rough seas of life. Your plan should be flexible, allowing for adjustments as you progress. It should be realistic yet ambitious, pushing you to strive for greatness. Most importantly, embrace defeat with resilience and perseverance. These are the engines that propel us forward, that keep us going against the odds. Resilience is our ability to bounce back from defeat, to rise again stronger and wiser. Perseverance is our steadfastness, our unwavering commitment to our goals, regardless of the obstacles we encounter. Defeat might sting, it might knock us down, but it's not the end. It's the start of a new journey, a new chapter in our lives. It's an opportunity to rebuild, to start afresh, to rise like a phoenix from the ashes. Remember, defeat is not the end, but the beginning of a new journey. So embrace defeat, learn from it, grow from it, and let it guide you towards your ultimate success. In the grand scheme of things, defeat is a stepping stone on the path to personal growth. Consider this for a moment. When we encounter defeat, it's easy to feel disheartened, to let it shake our confidence. But what if we viewed defeat not as an end, but as a beginning, as a catalyst for growth and self-improvement? Defeat is nature's way of telling us there's room for improvement. It's an invitation to reassess, to recalibrate, to re-strategize. It's a chance to learn, to evolve, to be better. The key is to approach it with curiosity rather than fear, to ask, what can I learn from this? Instead of, why did this happen to me? It's about shifting our perspective. A defeat isn't a negative event, it's an opportunity. So the next time you face defeat, embrace it. Use it as a catalyst for change and a stepping stone to success. After all, every setback is a setup for a comeback.